The Windows screen of death (SOD) is a term used to describe critical system errors that cause a system to crash. So here is a breakdown of the different Windows screen of death colors and what they represent. The first one is blue screen of death. The blue screen of death is the classic and most notorious crash screen in Windows. It is displayed when Windows encounters a critical error, usually related to hardware, drivers, or system software. A stop error happens when the system can't recover from a fatal error and Windows shut down to prevent damage. So that is blue screen of death. Now the other one is green screen of death. The green screen of death is seen in Windows Insider Preview builds. It is similar to the blue screen but specifically used for beta test versions of Windows. The green color helps differentiate between regular stable versions of Windows and the experimental test builds. Its typical causes are issues in Windows Insider Preview builds or problems related to early stage feature development and testing. Now we have black screen of death. A black screen of death occurs when the system fails to boot into Windows. Unlike the blue screen, the screen stays black and may not display any error code, making it harder to diagnose. It is because of missing or corrupted boot files, hardware issues, boot sector corruption, or problems with the power supply or motherboard. Now we have red screen of death. The red screen of death is an uncommon error and typically occurs in specific situations involving hardware problems or severe system failures. It is often associated with Windows running on systems with specific hardware failures, or it could be part of driver errors. It is typically caused due to hardware failures, software conflicts, or overheating issues or thermal shutdowns as well. Now, purple screen of death. The purple screen of death is a special type of SOD that happens on VMware virtual machines rather than on Windows directly. If the virtual machine has a critical failure or an issue within the VM's kernel, the system will display a purple screen with error details. Lastly, we have yellow screen of death. It is most commonly associated with ASP.NET applications, particularly during web development or when debugging. It occurs when an unhandled exception or a critical error happens in the application and the system is unable to process the request correctly. Unlike the blue screen of death, which is a system level failure, the YSOD generally relates to a server side error in web applications. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.